Now, up next, we'll be looking at the complications of cancer of the cervix. That's like people that have cancer of the cervix. So you should note that complications are different from signs and symptoms, right? So complication is more of like somebody had a disease condition, so it wasn't treated well, probably wasn't diagnosed quick and all of that. So complications is like the adverse, of a disease condition. So it can lead to a range of local complications, systemic complications, treatment related complications, okay, especially if it is going advanced. Okay, so these complications can affect the quality of life, can affect how your organs will be functioning, and can affect the possibility of a patient recovering from the disease condition or not. Okay, so local complications, first of all, you are having vaginal bleeding when the person has sex and in between menstruation the person is still bleeding. Okay, pelvic pain, all right, probably because the tumor is spreading to other structures and all of that, so you're having a lot of pain in the pelvis region. So fistula formation, you can now have an abnormal connection between the bladder and the vagina. You can have an abnormal connection between the vagina and the rectum, that's the inside of the anus. So urinary obstructions to bowel obstructions, that's most of the times when the tumor is now spreading to these other organs. So please, you can pause it to summarize the complications, right? This image, okay, these signs and symptoms, this is more like the complications. Okay, so systemic complications, if it is spreading to lungs and all of that, it can now cause issues depending on the organ that is spreading to. Okay, of course the lungs, you having shortness of breath, then the person will be losing weight. Okay, deep vein thrombosis. Then if the person is undergoing radiotherapy, that's treatment related complications. So based on chemotherapy or radiotherapy, there are a whole lot of side effects. Okay, then on psychological and social impact, the person is depressed, is feeling like I'm dying soon, is not enjoying life and all of that. Okay, so that's what we have for the possible complications of cancer of the cervix.